Hello, this is my video tutorial on how you can edit your profile and add your badges to the badger. So the first thing you do is go to your profile here in the top right corner. You go to Preferences and click on Edit Profile. Once you are there are things you can change and information you can add to your profile. For example, you can change your email address, you can add your town you come from, or select your country. I'm going to select my country, which is Croatia. Then I will change my time zone so that I know exactly when our webinars take place. So I'm here, Europe, Zagreb. I can add some information about myself. I am an English and German language teacher. And I'm going to add a profile picture. For this, I have to go to this icon. I have to choose a file. I will choose a file from the sample picture library. I will choose these lovely tulips, open it, and then upload it. If you are happy with all the changes, you then update your profile. After that, you can go back to your name and to Preferences and you go to User. I'm already there. And then you can go to Badges. You can manage your badges. For example, you can download them on your computer. Or if we go back, one step back, you can go to your backpack settings and you can send your badges to the Badger, which is an online sort of a cloud for your badges. So the Mozilla backpack doesn't exist anymore, so you have to click on this little question mark and go to the link for Mozilla Open Badge backpack. And it says it does not exist anymore. It is now called Badger. Then you go and if you haven't got an account, you create one. It's easy. And if you've got one like me, I've created it a couple of minutes ago, you sign in. I decided to sign in with my Google because it's the easiest. I do everything via Google. So once you are there, you can see that you can add your badges into this Badger backpack. You click on Add Badges, and now what you have to do is add an image, the connection. I will select to upload a file, so I click on Upload a file. I go to my downloads, and here I've got the badges I've just downloaded. So I click on the first one, open it, and there it is. I click on Add Badge. My connection is a bit slow, but there it is. I've added the first badge to my Badger backpack, and I can do that with all the other badges I've earned so far. So that's it. I hope it was helpful. Thank you very much for your attention. Bye.